Hi there, it's Susie. Welcome to day 5 of 7 days of Yoga Wheel. If you're ready, grab your wheel and let's begin. Begin your practice by sitting your hips over your heels. Bring the wheel in front of you and roll it forward so it's about an arm distance away. Now place your arms over the wheel and begin to roll forward so your hips come over your knees. And roll back. Inhale, roll forward. And exhale, rolling back. You might place your hands on top of each other. Find a position that feels good to you. Rolling forward and slowly coming back. Inhale, roll forward and see if you feel a stretch in your upper back. And slowly come back. Inhale forward. Exhale back. Roll as far as you feel comfortable. Just make sure you feel the stretch in your upper back and your shoulders. As you inhale, rolling forward, see if you can roll a little bit more. And coming back. Let's take a few more. Rolling forward. Back. Inhale forward. Exhale back. Let's take one more. And bring it all the way back. Now find a seated position, keeping the wheel behind you. Place your thumbs in the wheel and place your feet over the mat. Now slowly start to roll back. You might keep your thumbs in the wheel or place your hands by your sides. And as you exhale, lowering down. Inhale, rolling back. Exhale, down. Inhale, roll back. And exhale, coming down. One more deep breath in, rolling back. And breath out, lowering down. Nice work. Now, lowering your hips down, bring the soles of the feet together, allowing the knees to fall out to the sides. Settle in your wheel. So play with the positioning so it fits tightly in your back. You might want to keep your thumbs in the wheel. And now place your hands over the mat and slowly lift up, keeping the feet together. And as you exhale, lower down, grounding your hips on the mat, feeling the stretch in the hip flexors. And inhale, rolling back, keeping the feet together. Exhale, lower down. And inhale, roll back. Exhale down, bending the knees, keeping the core engaged. And inhale, rolling back. Now slowly lower down. Settle in your wheel Now slowly roll back and bending your elbows, bring your arms by your sides. And as you roll forward, extend your arms straight. So inhale, bending the elbows at a 90 degree. And exhale, extend as you lower the hips down. Inhale, bend the elbows. Exhale, extend. Inhale, rolling back. And exhale, rolling forward. Let's take a few more. Bend the elbows. And extend, moving in a very controlled way, no rush. Bend. And extend. Bend. And extend. Bend. And extend. And lower down. Now roll back one more time. And bring your arms by your sides at 90 degrees again. And see if you can roll all the way back, extending your legs straight. And lower the hips down. Inhale, rolling back, extending the legs. Exhale, lower down, engage the core. It's okay if you cannot fully extend, just do your best. And extend. And down. You might also want to ground your hands, that's fine. This is an added challenge. Extend the legs, keep the chin tucked, and lower down. Engage your core. It's a really good core exercise as well. Let's take one more. And coming down, nice work. Now, rolling back again. Roll back on the wheel and drop your head if you feel comfortable. If not, stay here. Check if you are comfortable. If you feel any pain, just come back up. Make sure you find a comfortable spot. And placing your thumbs in the wheel or over the mat, bending your knees, bring your feet closer to the wheel. Now, once you find a comfortable spot, slowly lift your left leg up, extending it straight. And bend your leg down. Inhale, extend the leg. Exhale, slowly bend. Inhale, extend. And exhale, bend. Nice work. Release your left leg and lift your right leg up. You might also just stay like this without dropping your head. Extend your legs straight and lower down. Extend and lower down. Extend and release. And rolling forward, find a comfortable seat. Now bring the soles of your feet together for butterfly pose. We are about to end this practice. Settle in your wheel, play with the positioning. I like to keep my thumbs in the wheel generally, but you might also want to place them by your side. And once you find a comfortable position, make sure you feel a gentle stretch in the hip flexors. If you don't feel any stretch, maybe draw your heels closer to your pelvis. And begin to relax. Take a deep breath in. And slowly out. Try to concentrate only on your breath. Relax your face, your eyebrows. See if you're clenching your jaw. Relax your jaw. Observe how you breathe. And begin to relax. Whenever you're ready, slowly come out. Thank you so much for joining me in this practice. I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye.